Your experience here.
Our experience was really delightful, and if I had to say it in one word, it would be mathematical.
It was the project and the things that they presented, how they behaved, how they coordinated. It was absolutely beautiful, and I would like to see more of it.
Your experience here.
It was wonderful, like the excitement and the joy of the students to and the urge to know something new and learn something from this experience is wonderful. Like
What do you say about the hard works of the kids?
outstanding. Like I have never seen this type of excitement and this type of efforts by the students at such a young age. Right? It's wonderful.
Okay, thank you.
Your experience looking at the exhibition?
Very nice. I can see the effort from each and everyone. It's really fantastic.
Did you have a great experience?
Yes, I can see the effort from each and every child, and I can see the enthusiasm also. It's really very.
तो आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था यहाँ पर?
बहुत बढ़िया था, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। इतने छोटे बच्चे हैं पर मैथ से रिलेटेड, हमारे लाइफ से रिलेटेड सब कुछ इन लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे से समझाया हमको। बहुत सारी नई चीज़ें हमको भी सीखने को मिलती है बच्चों के ज़रिए। थैंक यू सो मच सब टीचर्स का और स्टूडेंट्स का, बहुत बहुत अप्रिसिएशन। थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू।
એની અંદર ટીચર્સ અને સ્ટુડન્ટ છે એમણે ખૂબ મહેનત લીધી છે. વિદ્યાર્થીઓએ ખૂબ સરસ બધા પ્રોજેક્ટ બનાવ્યા છે, અને બીજું કે દરેક પ્રોજેક્ટ છે એ માત્ર બનાવ્યા છે એટલું જ નહીં, પરંતુ વિદ્યાર્થીઓ દ્વારા સરસ રીતે સમજાવવામાં આવે છે, એક્સપ્લેન કરવામાં આવે છે. એટલે વિદ્યાર્થીઓ, ટીચર્સ અને મેનેજમેન્ટને આ પ્રકારના એક્ઝિબિશન માટે ખૂબ ખૂબ અભિનંદન આપું છું.
Thank
What was your experience here?
It was a great experience. The students really presented the project very well. They have really worked hard, and it's a great platform for them to showcase their talent.
So what?
your experience with the exhibition?
The exhibition was fantastic, very creative and innovative ideas. I visited Silver Bells for the very first time and never thought it would be so fun watching all these.